Yes, Mr. Sukhdev, what brings you here today? I have been telling you for many months how to cook dum aloo, but you have been avoiding it. I don't like it at all. What's the issue? Why so much delay? I am extremely sorry I got stuck with my urgent work, therefore was unable to reach out and guide you. I am not satisfied. I was above to severe friendship with you. I just want the recipe today itself. I am not used to know it all. Okay, here we go. As far as the Dumaloos are concerned, you need to have following ingredients available. 1. 500 kilograms of potatoes or aloo. 2. Mustard oil, preferably to deep fry potatoes or aloo. 3. Separately 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of mustard oil. 4. Half teaspoon of cumin seed or jeera. 5. 2 bay leaves or tejpata. 6. 1 cinnamon seed or dalchini. 7. 1 black cardamom or kalipati elaichi. 8. 2 green cardamom or hari elaichi. 9. 3 cloves or long. 10. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder or lal mirch powder. 11. 1.5 tablespoon plain yogurt or dahi whipped. 12. 1 tablespoon fennel powder or sof. 13. Half teaspoon of ginger powder or adrak. 14. 3/4 tablespoon of salt or namak to taste. 15. 2 cups of water. Cups of water. Oh Mr. Jiku, so many ingredients, that is why you took time. Good cooking requires patience. Oh, I see. Ha 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 ha. Firstly, you need to boil potatoes or aloo in a pressure cooker. After 2 or 3 whistles, put the flame off. Wait for 15 minutes or so and then open the lid of the pressure cooker. If the potatoes can be peeled easily, it means you are done. Also check if the knitting needle used for woolen sweaters can pass through the potatoes from one end to other. Once done, you may drain the water and finish peeling all the potatoes one by one. Are you not complicating it, Mr. Jigu? Who has the knitting needles nowadays? You may use the toothpick, but traditional way was needles only, as potatoes used to be big, especially Haldwani aloos. Oh, I see, nowadays, all aloos look same. If you follow the steps, it will ensure potatoes were boiled properly, and that's what you need for this recipe. Now you may note, while pricking potatoes you should not break them, therefore pricking potatoes from center is the best idea. Pricking helps a good deep fry from inside of potatoes. Oh great, you explained very well. I am impressed, but you took long time to let me know. After you get the recipe you will forget me. Now moving forward, heat the mustard oil in a kadai or frying pan on a medium heat. Once the oil is hot, drop the potatoes in the oil carefully, one at a time, as oil sprinklers can jump off. Kindly fry the potatoes until a golden brown in color is visible from all sides. Once done, drain potatoes on a paper towel to remove or soak extra oil. Oh really? Once fried potatoes are cooled down, use the knitting needle or toothpick again to prick all potatoes again. Take out a fresh kadai or pan. Heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil on a medium flame. Once oil is hot, put cumin seeds, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, green cardamom and cloves. Sauté for 1 minute. Now you may add Kashmiri mirch or Kashmiri red chili. Make sure you are buying a correct red chili, as it is going to provide a ginger red color. Additionally, you may put whipped yogurt or dahi in the pan and stir it until you witness a bright color. Ensure mixing very well in order to provide coated spice mixture on all potatoes. Now you may add fennel powder, ginger powder and salt. Once this is done, add 2 cups of water and stir. Oh, very lengthy. Now cover the pan and let it simmer for 15 minutes on medium flame, or until the curry becomes visibly thick and very little of curry is left. There is very little curry in Dumaloos, but if you want some, then you may put the flame for 10 minutes only. Now once ready, you may eat it with rice, roti or naan. Hope you got it. Thank you so much. I am happy now, so friendship remains till next dish. Next time don't come empty-handed, bring chal bathuri or dahi with you. Thank you.